Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. I'm giving a shout out to Aria, Aria 4069. She has 12 subscribers. This is her YouTube channel. This is her homepage. She has 2 playlists. One is workout with 8 videos, and then study, organization, school. So let's take a look at her workout.
You can see all the workouts in this course on Amazon in wellnessplus.tv. Hey, it's Hannah from Vegana Hannah.
Whether you have a diagnosis of generalized anxiety.
Okay,
Hey
so
everyone,
she has a
कैसे हैं आप
playlist
सब
of
लोग?
other
Welcome back to my
YouTubers with various workout videos. Let's go back.
Whether you have a diagnosis of generalized anxiety disorder or you're
And then we have study, organization, and school. Looks like it's a lot of study tea. You can subscribe to that as well.
on a piece of paper. This is going to be my checklist out on any mistakes, like the process of changing pens and taking a bit of extra time to write down these terms helps me in remembering them. Another tip to save time while taking notes is to use abbreviations as much as you can. Just make sure that you're
Okay, let's click on more. So she joined June 14th, 2014. You can share this channel. All right, so here is, I'm going to include the link in this video description. Subscribe. Let's support him or her on this journey. Thanks for watching. Huge shout out to Aria. Thanks. Bye.